first thing we always do when we come to use the drum sander is open the lid up and have a look at the drums. You'll know whether or not they are in good shape, whether they're clean. One thing that can happen when you're running particularly resinous woods, blackwood, rosewood in particular, and some of the darker timbers, is that if they run through too aggressively, you can get a build-up of gunk on the drums, and that'll be left there, and the next person that comes and runs something through will end up with a pretty ugly mess on whatever piece of wood they're putting through. Let me turn the machine on. So that's got the drums running. Just going to lift the lid so you can see them. They're rotating at the moment. To clean them, just run the rubber across there. Okay, so you can now have a look and see that these sanding drums are a lot cleaner than they were before.